everybody to Jamie's Little Homestead. We're finally getting some rain in northeast Oklahoma. It was much needed.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, we've had a pretty good storm. A lot of lightning and thunder. It's still going on. I think it's supposed to go on through the night. But yeah, we'll probably end up having to mow again because of this rain, but that's all right.
Well, we was needing it, wasn't we?
Yes, we were. Hey, kitty. Come on. You're awful whiny kitty. This is Tess. She's hanging out with me tonight, enjoying the rain. Yeah. But she loves, this is her little sleeping pad up here. She loves to sleep up there.
That in the woodpile.
Yes. Up there, baby girl. There. Need to give her a bath. Yes. I'd like to thank the subscribers. I've seen that we had a couple more subscribers, and we sure do appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Really, really do.
Well, we figured we'd make a little short little video, show you the rain stuff. We was much needing it.
Oh, yeah. But,
So, we'll catch you guys on the next video.
all right. Y'all have a good evening.